Welcome to today's tutorials. This video is going to be all about the class selector. So don't forget to subscribe and let's get started. On our page we have 3 random paragraphs. In VS Code we're going to start with creating a class in the CSS style sheet. So syntax is simple, starting with a dot. Then we choose the name for our class. Let's say my class. Then curly braces. Now let's set a background color, for example. So background color, let's say green. Now to add this class to the element, let's say to the first paragraph here, let's put class attribute. Then just the class without the dot, so my class. Now let's check the browser. Here our first paragraph has the green background. Now let's go back to VS Code. And let's add the same class to another element. Let's say the third paragraph. Here, third paragraph, let's add class attribute, then my class. And that's the great thing about the class selector. You can add it to as many elements as you want. Now something else about the class selector, that you can add a second class here for the first paragraph, for example. Now let's call this my second class, so dot my class. Now as usual, curly braces, let's say color here, let's say red. Now let's go back to the HTML file, and here we're gonna add it to the first paragraph. So my second class. Now let's check the browser, and here the first paragraph color became red. So in conclusion, you can add the class selector to as many elements as you want, and you can add as many classes to the element as you want. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time.